So last week I stripped my vehicle. I'm getting it ready to be painted, which will be in a few months or maybe a little longer. Painting the whole interior, obviously. When removing these door panels, this glue underneath is the nastiest glue ever. It's like a grease glue and it's extremely hard to get out. So I have to start removing that today. That's all my trash. And I'll be painting the plastic pieces today. Also, something I noticed, if anyone's trying to remove this plastic black trim that's here, the way to do it is remove the mirror first, slide it over, which there's a tolerance there if you notice from here to here. You slide it over a little and push it up. That's the only way to remove it. Little tricks there. That's about it. Next step, like I said, is cleaning the interior, painting all the trims, and getting the exterior painted. That's gonna be my next video. Press on the brake, that's what I do. There we go. Until the next video.